I'm just gonna wait for my dad. Here he is.
I think we're ready to go. Camera's set up. All right, and I'm Kevin. Welcome back. Got my daughter helping me today. Do you remember what this is?
Beef.
Beef. What cut of beef? Tri-tip?
Yeah.
Tri-tip.
Tri-tip.
And we're smoking it. Now we've made a smoked tri-tip video before, but we're gonna do it again because it's that good.
Mm-hmm.
You like it, right?
I like it.
Smoked beef is loved in this house. So,
The best.
the best. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna trim this up, right, Sawyer?
Uh-huh.
All right, so we got a little excess fat on this side that we're just gonna take down. I like a little bit of fat on here, but this is too much. So we're just gonna simply get our boning knife here and peel that back. It comes off super easy.
We just don't like too much fat, but it's a good amount.
Some is good, right?
Yep. We just like a good amount of half of the fat. We cut off the rest.
You don't like fat though, right, Sawyer?
Yeah, I don't like fat, so when I'm eating this, my dad would usually cut off the fat or I would peel it off myself. Because I don't really like fat.
No. Daddy does.
Dad does, but I don't.
All right, so Sawyer, what's in this? Do you remember?
I think it's salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
Boom, you got it. What we're gonna get Sawyer to do is liberally coat this tri-tip so it'll be ready for the smoker at that point.
1/4.
So we're just gonna rub that in, and you're gonna open that up. We're gonna do the other side.
Okay. Let's open this baby up.
And now coat the other side.
Where all the fat
Nice
is.
even coating in this container makes life easier. Good.
Oh, I think that's a little too much, guys.
We'll rub it down. That's okay. Okay, we're good there because she put on a little much on this side, but that's okay because we'll just take this and get the sides like that.
Yep.
Every side. Beef loves salt and pepper. We've said it before. If we said it once, we've said it 1,000 times. It really doesn't get old. They're best friends. Salt, pepper, beef. Right?
They're best friends.
They're best friends.
It's like peanut butter and jelly.
It's like peanut butter and jelly, or Sawyer and Kevin.
Yep.
Yeah? Are we friends?
Yeah.
We're friends. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna go outside and we are gonna crank our Pit Boss grill to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna load her up with mesquite pellets from Pit Boss, that's right. And we're gonna smoke this, and we want this to be a medium rare. It's not gonna sit on there. We're not gonna treat this like brisket. I know you see a lot of the times that they're doing these tri-tips right through low and slow, and that's all well and good, but that's not what we're doing today. We want a little bit of pink in there, right, Sawyer?
Uh-huh.
All right, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Go turn the smoker on. All right, so we're just gonna simply wrap this in Pit Boss peach paper now. We pulled it at 130 degrees. Just gonna wrap it up and finish it off that way. So just fold her over like so. Wrap it up good and tight. And now we're gonna lay her back on the grill. About to 145, 150 degrees.
So guys, we're done our
Tri-tip.
tri-tip. It was in for like,
A couple hours.
yeah, and well, it's good.
We pulled it off at 147 degrees Fahrenheit. So,
It turned out pretty good.
should we cut into this?
Yep.
You wanna make the first cut?
Okay.
Okay, so very sharp, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we put one hand here, away from the knife, just hold it. And you wanna go straight like this. No.
This is my first time even cutting with a sharp knife.
Oh, you've used the knife lots. You through? Let's check it out. Oh yeah.
That's perfect pink.
Let me cut one. That is perfect, right?
Wait.
Oh yeah. Perfecto. Should we try it?
The best is right in the middle.
Let's give it a try.
I'm gonna eat the middle because I don't know.
What do you think?
I think that's good meat. That is
It's
good meat.
Good meat, eh? What? All right, never mind. All right, everybody, how do we finish this video?
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe down below for more cooking videos with the family.
See you, everyone. Thanks for sticking around. as she said. Have a great day. Bye. Good job, Sawyer.